All right, from Assam, we go to Karnataka, where a court heard actress Rania Rao's bail plea, the gold smuggling case. The prosecution has been directed to file objections by March 21. The court has postponed the hearing for further proceedings, with the next date yet to be announced, which means Rania Rao continues to be in judicial custody till the time that the proceedings are completed and the court comes to a judgment and delivers a verdict. I'm told Abhishek, our correspondent with Republic Kannada, joins us live on this story. And what are the prosecution arguments, Abhishek, on Rania Rao's bail? And if you were present during the proceedings, how do you see the court taking this forward?
Well, Abhishek, with respect to Rania Rao's gold smuggling case, the CBI and DRI had previously requested the special courts not to provide bail at any cost, because the woman seems to be very powerful and influential, because she has good connections all over the world, and not only all over the world but also with the IPS and IAS officers of the state and various other states as well. And if at all she gets out of the custody, there are chances of she taking care of the evidences and probably destroying them. She has a network of ministers and MLAs from various other parties, and this is one of the main reasons as to why she hasn't been granted bail, is what the previous point was. The special court actually denied bail the previous time, and now the sessions court as of today have mentioned that the prosecution will have to file their objections by March 21st and postpone the case until 21st. And yes, the sessions court has a point in mind, stating that she might not get a bail because of her involvement in this particular case. It might be a tip of an iceberg, whereas only 38 kilos are found, but there is a lot more behind this, is what the CBI and DRI officials have stated in their documents, and this is one of the reasons as to why the court might wait for the prosecution to file objections, and then they might take a call. Abhishek.
All right, thank you so much, Abhishek, with those details. And from Karnataka to the Gulf of America, where astronauts Sunita Williams, Butch Wilmore, Nick Hague and others, one more, made a splash inside of Dragon spacecraft. The capsule was retrieved by NASA and American Coast Guard, and the astronauts are on their way to Houston after medical checks for a 45-day rehab. But we bring to you pictures of that first moment when the Dragon capsule was caught on the cameras while making re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere.